On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Crop, and use the Choppy Crop app. What this app allows you to do is it allows you to custom crop this particular image. So if I want to crop the image of this person jumping, I can click on Polygonal, click on the image, and start cropping. So now I can draw around the person. And when I'm done, I can go to the bottom and hit Apply Crop. And now I've created a custom crop for this particular image. You can also try the Freehand option. You can draw around the subject of interest, apply crop, and there's another way to custom crop your image. And the final option to crop is magnetic, but you will have to upgrade to the Pro feature to be able to use magnetic. So I usually just stick to Freehand or Polygonal if I want to custom crop an image like this example that I showed here. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.